stealing. So today we are answering the most important question for anyone considering investing in Georgia, which is how can I make money from real estate? Well, there are two main profit strategies, which is rental income or capital appreciation. For rental income in Georgia is profitable because tourism is booking over 7 million visitors in 2024, strong demand for hotel-style apartments, especially in Batumi, Airbnb growth one of the highest in Europe. Rental in Batumi with numbers, for example, a studio from 30 to 35 square meter, the typical price from 60 to 70, yearly occupancy rate from 65 to 75, summer rental nightly rates from 60 to $120, and for winter from 20 to $35. So the annual ROI expected to be 10 to 14%. But what about Tbilisi? Tbilisi is not only a tourist city, but it's a capital demand and is stable all the year. Typical prices in Tbilisi is a little bit higher for one bedroom because the studios doesn't have any demand and is not very common in Tbilisi. So we're talking about one bedroom here. The size is bigger. We were talking about $60,000 to $85,000. Occupancy is high because it has 28 universities, so it's rental all the year, which it comes to with 80 to 90%. Also, the nightly rate compared to Batumi, it's a little bit less, but it's a very stable. So tourists from $45 to $70 per night, and the local demand is very stable. Annual ROI is from 10 to 12%. So Tbilisi is very stable, but the annual ROI is a little bit lower. Profit from reselling, and here it comes Tbilisi. For capital appreciation, Tbilisi considered to be high demand apartments, so you will do money by selling quickly. Georgia is one of the fastest growing real estate markets in Eastern Europe, especially for the price growth for the last 5 years. In Tbilisi, 45% plus, in Batumi, 35% plus. So how do you profit? If you buy off plan, pay an installment for 2 years, sell after completion at higher price. This is by ROC, or returning on capital appreciation. In Batumi, buy right now something and just wait, but it has to be with sea view, near the sea, like 200 meters, or near like residential hub, so you can depend later on people who live yearly in Batumi. And the best areas right now is New Boulevard, which is near to the airport, considered like be more vibrant, more luxury rather than towards Botanical Garden or alien, status. And for Tbilisi, it's something different. Tbilisi, it's high demand over resale. So for Tbilisi, you can buy right now per square meter 1,200. This is the minimum price for off plan. So you buy something right now in Tbilisi with 1,200 and pay an installment for 2-3 years. So the money value will decrease. And then once you own your apartment, you can resell with high price. Also, I have very good news that there are some projects that you can buy just by paying very small down payment, like $5,000, $10,000, and the installment for 11 months. So this is the ROC that can be done. You buy with a little bit price per square meter, keep it for 2-3 years because you pay through an installment, and then resell it. So the higher rental income in Batumi for year-round stability is Tbilisi. For resale profit, both Batumi grows faster, but Tbilisi grows more stable. If you are interested in investing in Georgia, whether rental or resale, know how to get a visa or permanent residency, Batumi or Tbilisi, we can help you to choose the right project and build a full investment plan with real numbers. Contact us and let's start your investment today. Have a good day.